everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. We have been talking on the YT streets about hook collections and how many hooks you have. Well, I am about to disclose how many hooks I truly have. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna cringe. Anywho, I thought it would be great for us to share our hook collections using the hashtag mycrochethookcollection. Now, it doesn't matter whether or not you have one hook or 5 hooks. If you have just one in your collection, you have more than most. So show us what you got. We all have to start somewhere. When I first started crocheting, I only had a handful of hooks. But you will see how many I have collected over the years. So come along with me and join in on the fun. Why don't you show me what you're working with? Catch it! We have a problem. That's approximately 208 crochet hooks, but that's not including the crochet hooks that I have on my whips and in my project bags. Just saying. Now, if you want, you can pull yours out, but I chose to leave mine in since I had so many to show. You don't have to count your crochet hooks. I just want you to show us your collection. Use the hashtag mycrochethookcollection, and I look forward to watching all the videos, and it will be in an area where we can all see, share, enjoy, like, and comment. Thank you for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you, and you all have a wonderful day, and remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.